I'm Carolyn Hines, and I'm here in Amsterdam for ISE 2019.
So we're really excited to be launching this. We're inviting our customers this week to take control, our new 4K IP KVM platform, building on the proven technology we've had in the ADDERLink Infinity range, but now delivering dual head 4K over one 10 gigabit fiber cable. So the ability to take the existing ADDERLink Infinity characteristics, the ability to deliver high quality video with extremely low latency in real time for interactive applications, and scale that up not only to 4K, but dual head 4K over one single fiber. So one of the big things we wanted to do in developing the platform was really support our existing customers. We know they've spent a lot of time building those systems out, and one of the advantages of IP is that they're really scalable. So our customers may have started off with small systems and scaled them up over time. We wanted to give them the ability to continue to do that. So the 4000 is compatible with all of the existing AIM management systems from version 4.8, but not only that, we've developed on the existing codec that we have, and taking that forward means that the new 4000 can access all of your existing ADDERLink Infinity transmitters. So whether you're a customer with our ALIF 100T transmitter or our 0U dongle, or whether you're using our 2020 dual head systems, you're still going to be able to access that from the 4000 platform. Same USB solution, so you've got that fast switching, you've got the ability to use keyboards, mice and touchscreens, but also any other devices that you might want to use over that USB 2 hub. The key advantage of a platform like this is the ability to distribute over IP. It's obviously a big trend at the show here we're seeing is the adoption of IP for the AV market. What's really set Adder apart is this unique codec, which gives us the ability to develop spatially lossless video. So you're just not having to sacrifice quality, and our customers really care about that image quality. They're obviously using it for interactive applications, so any additional latency is going to cause a problem. We've removed all that with our codec. But the real standout is this ability to deliver dual head 4K in a lossless manner on that network, and that's something that's really rare. Although we're seeing a lot of IP technologies, there's a lot of compression algorithms out there that are driving lossy video, higher latency. We can't have that in a KVM scenario. So we've really focused on taking what was that proven technology on the ADDERLink Infinity range, proven in AV, proven in visual effects, proven in medical and air traffic control, and take that up to 4K. So you've got the dual DisplayPort on there allowing you to deliver dual 4K without having to sacrifice any of that quality that you might do if you just go for a traditional AV over IP solution.
Where can people learn more about this?
So right now, the 4000 is top of our webpage on the homepage, so it's www.adder.com, or for a little bit more info, you can go to adder.com/take control, and there you're going to see all about the 4000 range and how it integrates with the existing Infinity product line.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Jamie, and you have a great show.
Thank you.